let's give a warm welcome to the amazing Huntrix! A round of applause for the super band, the Saja Boys. Two of the best bands are on this stage. Who's going to take the cup?
If you want Huntrix to win, thumbs up. And if you're cheering for the Saja Boys, leave a comment under this video. And while the audience is voting, it's time for the final round, the outfit swap.
What?
Huh? Rumi goes first. We're turning her into Jinu. Let's start with the hairstyle. Ready to make Rumi a bold brunette? First, we remove her braid completely and put on a wig with straight black hair. Wow, Rumi looks amazing! But we can't forget her signature braid, so we add a long ponytail, split it into 4 parts, and start braiding. So stylish. We fix everything and lock it in with hairspray. Now let's change Rumi's outfit. Grab a shirt pattern, place it on the fabric, and trace it with a marker. Then I cut everything out, fold the piece, and sew it together. What do you think?
Wow!
Plaid is super trendy right now, so I draw the pattern using a regular pen. I switch the top to pink, put on the plaid shirt, and cut out shorts using a pattern. I sew the denim shorts and try them on. Wow, Rumi looks stunning! Let's add a belt. Add glue and attach vertical pieces of denim. That makes a stylish pink belt. I add it to the shorts and finish the look with a big pendant. And here she is, Rumi as Jinu. What do you think of this look? Thumbs up if Rumi really looks like Jinu now. I really do look like Jinu. Do you want to sing? Of course. Huh? What? Oh, the mic isn't working. Hey, come on! Now it's my turn to switch styles. Haha. All right, Jinu, your turn. Today, we're turning you into Rumi. Well, let's see how this goes. Okay, black hair doesn't work anymore. Look what I've got, a spray bottle. I spray his hair purple, just like Rumi's. Much better already. I take off this shirt, grab a piece of white fabric, wrap it around the neck, and sew it onto the t-shirt to create a stylish top. I add a chain. Nice. What about Jinu's pink shirt? I'll swap it for a bright yellow bomber jacket. I add black trim and decorate it with Huntrix stickers, Rumi's name, and even a spiked shoulder piece. I turn this red detail into a belt and decorate it with metal chains. Here we go! Jinu is in Rumi's style. What do you think? Looks like Rumi to me. Yay! Thanks, I'm off. Oh, everyone's already here.
Are you ready? Let's welcome Jinu and Rumi. Today we've got a vocal battle.
Nice, we did great.
Yeah, that was awesome. Very soon we'll find out who wins. And while you wait, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And Jinu and Rumi both got 100 points.
Yay, I got 100 points.
Awesome, thanks everyone.
Woo!
It's a tie for now. So let's move on to our next contestants.
Zoe. Hi everyone, I can't wait to see my new look. Today we're turning you into baby Saja. He's such a cutie. Let's start with the outfit. I'll need this piece of pink fabric. I place the pattern on the inside and trace it with a marker. Follow along with me. Now we cut it out. Time to sew our top. I grab a needle and thread and start stitching. Ooh, this top turned out great. But we still need to decorate it with these diamond shapes. And from this purple fabric, we'll make a skirt for Zoe. She's already looking so similar. Let's add a little magic. Final touch, a yellow beanie. Wow, I really like my new look. Look at you, Zoe. You look just like baby Saja. Yes, almost twins. Now it's your turn, baby Saja. Let's make you look like Zoe. Okay, this hairstyle won't work at all. I spray on some black paint. Baby Saja is a brunette now. Let's brush the hair a bit. Now I'll style it using some hair gel. I trim the bangs, part the hair to both sides, then add headphones. Much better. Time to work on the outfit. I place the t-shirt pattern on turquoise fabric, trace it out with a marker, and my favorite part, cut it out. Then I sew the sides and turn it inside out. Go on, baby Saja, try it on.
Hey, I like it.
Let's add a black hood. I glue the hood on the back, add black trim, a collar, and decorations. Let's make a belt too. I take a blue ribbon, wrap it with a silver chain, thread it through a metal ring, and put it on. These pants don't work. We need new ones. I take a pattern and cut pants out of blue fabric. I need 2 pieces. I sew each piece on the inside, then sew them together in the middle. Here you go, baby Saja. Try them on behind the screen.
Wow, this look is so stylish.
Final touches, yellow diamond details and blue suspenders. Perfect. What do you think? Do you look like Zoe now?
We're like twins. Thanks.
Anytime. Time to run to the stage.
Hi again.
Wow, you look awesome.
So, are you ready for the next challenge? Up next, a rap battle. Let's go.
Step in the room, they already know. Swagger like a comet, burning the flow. Can't stop me, no, can't stop me, no.
Style, let me elevate, no debate, I dominate. Swagger so sharp it can penetrate. I'm a force you can replicate. Feel the fire, it's invincible.
Yo, that was mega cool. Time to vote.
I wonder how many points we'll get.
Let's announce the voting results.
Yay! We did it!
Yes! Yay! All right, moving on to the final pair.
Today, Mira is transforming into Abby Saja. Wow, what gorgeous hair. We remove all the pins and brush the hair all the way through. I trim the ends to make the hairstyle neat. Now I take 2 small strands and pull them back. On top, I add a cap just like Abby's. Now let's change the top. I switch it to a white one and layer a blue Hawaiian shirt on top. The shirt needs an upgrade too. I take a piece of denim fabric and cut a strip. I create gathers by gluing each fold with hot glue. That makes a ruffle.
Wow!
Then I take another denim strip and sew the ruffle onto it. And we get a super stylish skirt. Add a pink belt, and it's done.
Wow!
So, should we compare her to Abby Saja? Not bad, but I feel like it's still not quite there. You're right. Oh, I know. I grab a dumbbell and do a little workout.
2, 3.
Phew, I'm already tired. Yep, great workout. Wow, look at that. Now I'm ready. Then let's head to the stage. Hi, Abby. You're about to get a stylish transformation into Mira's look.
I'm gonna be the brightest one.
I take some pink air-dry clay and shape small hair strands. I glue them onto Abby's hair. Perfect. I grab a brush and acrylic paints and color the hair strand by strand into a raspberry shade. And here's the hairstyle. I put on a black sleeveless top, glue on a print and a shoulder piece. I decorate the shoulder with big rhinestones and add shiny charms. Time to change the pants too. I've got a shorts pattern. I place it on yellow fabric and cut out the pieces. I sew all 4 parts together and it's ready. Oh yeah, that looks much better. I add a metal belt with charms and the look is complete.
Wow!
Let's compare Abby to the real Mira.
Almost, Mira. Just missing one little thing. Now it's a perfect match.
Awesome! That's Abby and Mira's style. What do you think?
I look epic.
It's time to perform.
Hi everyone, here I am. And now, our next contestants, Abby and Mira. And now, a dance battle. Let's go.
We are your idols, breaking the night. Hearts of rebellion, shining so bright. No more illusions, no more lies. Together we rise, your idol never dies.
We did it.
Totally agree. Phenomenal performance. Time for the scores. 100! 100! Congratulations! The tension is rising. The teams are neck and neck. On stage today, the Saja Boys and Huntrix. Yeah! Who will win? The final battle will decide.
I'll fix the flame. I'll light it again. No shadows where the truth has been burning bright. No more blame. I'll fix the flame. I'll fix the flame. I'll light it again. No more shadows where the truth has been burning bright. No more blame. I'll fix the flame. I'll fix the flame. Every tear we cried a melody. Every scar we hide a symphony. I wrote the wrongs in the chords of lies, but
And that was the unstoppable Saja Boys. And here are everyone's favorites, Huntrix. Yay!
Bravo, bravo! That was an incredible performance. And the contestants are ready to hear the winner's name. Who do you think won this music battle? The Huntrix girls or the Saja Boys? Write your answer in the comments.
Our show has come to an end. Thank you so much, everyone. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.